Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Pottery Barn app review to see if it worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Pottery Barn app makes home shopping easier by combining created room ideas, a virtual preview tools to see furniture in your space, and fast checkout with Apple Pay. It also includes free design support, gift registry, management, and the ability to save and share favorites, which make it a handy companion for anyone decorating or redecorating. However, the app isn't flawless. Android users in particular report poor performance, glitches with scrolling, and registry tools not always working smoothly, while iOS users tend to have a better experience. The inconsistency across platforms is a drawback only for himself. And in conclusion, the Pottery Barn app is worth using if you want an inspirations and a convenient shopping, but expect occasional frustration, especially on Android users. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.